Today I'm going to share one of the best ways to make money online, and this is going to be with a little twist. Not many people know about this, so I'm going to share this little twist with you. It's pretty cool. So in this video I'll share with you exactly what this method is and how this works. I'll go over the websites that you need. Now this is incredibly easy to get started with, and it's also available worldwide. So let's go over what you don't need. So with this method, you do not need any skills, you don't need experience, you do not need a big email list, and you do not need to spend lots of time on this. Now make sure you watch this video till the end because we're going to go over this step by step. And if you miss any of these steps, then you won't know how to do this correctly. Then I'll share with you how you can fast track your earnings. We'll go over how you can do everything and get it down to less than 20 minutes of work a day. And then I'll also share with you how you can basically put all of this on autopilot. So make sure you watch it till the end and then you'll know exactly how to do everything and fast track it and, everything done a lot quicker. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you this really simple method to make money online, but with a twist. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So let's very quickly jump into this. So to make money online with this method, we're going to need two websites, and let's just jump into the first website. Well, actually I'm lying to you, sorry, we're going to need 3 different websites. So let's start right at the beginning. So the first website we're going to need is this one here, and it's called muncheye.com. Now look, before you think, oh, this video is about loan sharking and creating review videos, it really isn't. So let me walk you through this process. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to come over onto Muncheye, and we're going to focus. You can focus on the left hand side with this, and you can focus on the right hand side. If you're brand new, I would say focus on the left hand side. Now what we're going to be looking for on here is we're going to be looking for products with what is known as contest prizes, and I'll share that with you in a second. So if you don't know what Muncheye is, this is a website where people who are creating online courses, basically this is like a press announcement where they let the world know when the course is going to be released and how much you can earn if you was to go ahead and promote this. So you scroll down here and you just click on any of these products and go into them, and then you can get all of the details about this. So let's just scroll down and let's have a look at this one here, this YouTube supremacy. So you click on here and it will take you through to the next page. Now as a snapshot, it tells you how much you can earn. So this here is how much this course costs. It's $13. If you was to promote this and share this, you would earn 100% commission. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? You earn 100% for this. So if you want to find out more information about this, you simply click here where it says JV page, and it will take you through to what is known as the joint venture partner page. So on here, it tells you about the course, so when it's launching, the JV page, so I'll click that and open that in a second for you, where you get your link to promote this. You can go and look at the sales page, and then you've also got here, this is what is known as the funnel. So if you was to promote this product, and this is the front end product, so you can see if you shared your link and somebody purchased it, you would earn $12.95 because you earn 100% commission. These here are known as one-time offers. So if somebody was to go into purchase the front end at $12.95, they then offer, as you can see here, they offer 4 in-depth case studies. So these one-time offers here, these normally promote the front end product. So if you was to promote this, somebody buys this and they're going to what is known as the funnel, and then say if they purchase this product here for $27, you would earn 50% commission, and then you've got another one here, 47, where you earn 50%, and another one here, 97 at 50% commission. So you can earn some pretty decent money from this, and like I said, you're not going to be creating review videos or blog articles or anything like that, so please don't worry about that or being on camera. So let's go ahead and have a look at the page here. Oh, sorry, this is the JV page. So literally all I've done on here is click on this here, the JV page. Now on the JV page here, look, it'll tell you everything you need to know about this. You've got all of your information at the top, and if you scroll down here, you can see you can earn up to $95 per sale with this YouTube course. Now if I scroll down here, you normally have a welcome video on here, and if you click on here, you can go and get your link to promote this. Now if I scroll down here, you'll also find on here more about the funnel, you tend to find, look, download this video. You can use this video here for your promo, so you do not need to be on camera, and this is really important, and we'll come back to this in a second. So let me go back over to the home page of this, and we'll go through this, and I'll share with you exactly how this works. So what happens is, whenever any of these courses launch, lots of affiliates, they go and email their list basically. So they will say to everyone, you know, this course has just launched, go ahead and check out my review video on YouTube. And then people go over to YouTube and they watch the video and they purchase it based upon, people's bonuses that they're offering, and whoever does the best review video, etc. And as you can see on here, products are launching every single day on here. Now, what also happens is, because there's so many products launching, people like affiliates, they'll maybe jump on this product to promote tomorrow, they'll then jump on this one here, they'll then jump on this one here, they'll, etc, etc. Now, the key note to this is, lots of these affiliates, or lots of these people who are putting up these courses, these course creators, they offer what is known as an incentive and also a contest. And let me give you an example of this. Let's scroll. I'm going to try and find one for you. Let's go and look at this one here, this Profit Eagle. So I'm going to go on to Profit Eagle. We're going to go over to the JV page. So it's just opened up a new tab here. Let's go over to this JV page. And this is really important, this bit. So again, you've got all your information along the top. You've got more information here. This is another... Oh, let me just click on continue. This is another video that you can download if you want to, and again, very important because we'll come back to that in a bit. But if we scroll down the page here, let me just close this, let me scroll down here. I'm going to come to, sorry, let me get rid of that, scroll further down the page here. We're going to come to here, so here's the sales funnel, how much you can expect to earn on this. If we go further down the page, where is it? Here you go. Over $5,000 in prize money. Now look at this. This is running from the 19th of July to the 25th of July. So what happens here normally is affiliates will do a campaign. They will normally focus on this course here for maybe 2 or 3 days. But then you can see this competition here, it actually runs to the 25th of July. So people will still be sending emails and still be sending traffic up until the 25th of July, and this is where you can make the money on this. So if you see on here, you can see how much money you can earn, first, second, third. You've also got 4th, 5th and 6th places on here, and then there's more cash prizes announced during the launch, and there's always lots of these. So let me go back over here. So this here, the contest, especially this is really important, because like I said, most people have moved on after a couple of days, but you can still siphon off a lot of this traffic, and I'll show you exactly how this works now. So let's just recap. So part 1 is we come over to Munchai, we go through and we find products, we go over to the JV page and we have a look if they're running competitions. And honestly, 99% of these will be running competitions. Once you've found the ones that are going to be running competitions, normally what happens is you have a lot more affiliates promoting that. And what that means is there's going to be more videos on YouTube which you can capitalize on. So let's go back here, and we'll go back to the home page. So once you've found a product that you want to promote, you then literally go over to YouTube, and I'll show you an example of this now. And this is a launch which is happening right now. So let me get rid of that, and we'll type in Eclipse Review. So as you can see on here, we've got a lot of videos on here, and this is how this method works. So you will find a product that you will want to promote. You will then wait a day until that product has launched and people have put all of their review videos up on YouTube, and this is how you can basically, well, as you can see here, legally steal the guru's income. So you've got a product, you wait a day, and then you go over to YouTube and you look for people who have done review videos, and then it's simply a case of going onto these videos here and seeing if they are running ads. So you would literally go into a few of these, so like you'd click on Ike's, you would go into this one, the affiliate tuber, you'd go into Andy's, you'd go into etc, etc, and you would see if they are running ads, and this is very important. So let me go and let's go and look at Andy's.
They lied to you, and now it's payback. Hijack the guru's traffic.
So you can see Andy is running ads on his. If I go back here, I'll go down here, I'll show you another example. See here, mine, if I click on mine, how you can get 90% off. Let me just pause this, let me take this all the way back to the beginning so you can see. If somebody was to click on my video, the new product. In this video, we run ads at the beginning of this. I'm going to click on here again. Let me just go down and find another one. So basically, you're going through and you're finding these YouTube accounts basically where they have a review video on here, but they are running ads. And once we know that they are running ads, well, guess what? You can go ahead and place a short ad at the beginning of their video and send traffic to your offer instead of basically going through to the, like in this example here, instead of it going to Jono's affiliate page, it would go to your affiliate page. And there's lots of these on here, and as you can see, all of these videos on here, they do get a lot of views. So you've got Ike's with 350, 948, 131, 7,000, etc. So you can see there's lots of people going over to these videos and watching them because they're interested in this course. And this is why you wait one day and you let all of the gurus, if you want to call them that, you let all the gurus put up their review videos, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come the following day and we're going to put our ad over the top of their video and at the beginning of the video. Now you might be wondering and thinking, well, I don't want to be on camera, etc, etc. Well, do you remember when I said to you about these videos here, that they're important? Well, look, you can download this video, you can use this one. So in this example here, this YouTube supremacy, you would get your affiliate link for this, you would wait until the 16th of July, and then on the 16th of July you would put this video over the top of the review videos. It's the same with this one here. Over on Profit Eagle, you would take this one here and put that over the top of the review videos. And it's literally just a case of waiting a day and then going and putting your ad over the top of these videos here. Now, this really isn't as difficult as you may think it is to run ads. You can run ads from as little as $5 or $10 a day. And look, honestly, going ahead and putting YouTube ads over on these videos, it genuinely isn't that difficult. It takes a couple of minutes to do this. Feel free to go ahead on YouTube and literally just put run paid ads on YouTube. It really is a simple process. So I said to you at the beginning of this course, if you stay till the end, I'd show you how you can fast track this. Well, this course here, this Eclipse where all of these guys are promoting this product, is this one here. And look, this is a course, it's very simple to follow along with. As you can see, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's literally 6 videos. This one here is 30 minutes, and you've got an easy method, an intermediate method, and an advanced method. This is all about this strategy that we have gone through today, where you place your ad over the top of people's videos on YouTube when they're reviewing a product. Now, this works on Warrior Plus, it works on ClickBank, it works on many other platforms, so you don't need to be just focusing on Warrior Plus. If you didn't want, you could go and look at campaigns over on ClickBank as well. The training here is broken down into 3 parts. You've got the easy part, so this here walks you through how to create really simple YouTube ads using the videos that you find over on the JV pages here where you download these. This walks you through how to use these. You've then got intermediate, where it shows you really simple ways how you can do your own videos if you wanted to and your own ads, and then you've got advanced, where it goes through tracking and lots of other bits on there. But in terms of this method here, let me go and quickly show you this. I'll just show you this here. So this is the course creator, Jono. Now you can see on here, his numbers on here are very high. Now in this method overview here, he talks about the Eclipse method, and he says from using this, he earns consistently $500 to $1,000 every single day using this method. And like I said, this video course, it walks you through it a hell of a lot easier than maybe what I've explained to you here. And yeah, it just walks through the entire process. Now look, if you want to go ahead and purchase this to make it even better for you, and I'll tell you now it costs $13. If you want to purchase this for $13, I've put together some bonuses for you to help you on your way. So I'll very quickly run through these bonuses and then we'll wrap up the video. So bonus number 1 is the Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy. This here is my own course. It's a full course. It walks you through how to make money with affiliate marketing. We've got step-by-step videos, PDFs, and look, it's a complete course to earning online. Bonus number 2, this is a case study and an unreleased course, and this is basically a launch jacking course. So this here I was going to release this as a course, but I never got around to it. It walks you through. If you don't want to go down YouTube, this shows you here how you can rank articles, blog articles basically, on Google to position #1, and you can earn affiliate commissions via the blogging route if you wanted to go down that route. And you can see here, this is my Not Taught at School one. This was for El Bandito, and as you can see, it's the top of Google, page 1. Feel free to go ahead and check it out, and it's above everybody else. It's even above the course creator here, Anthony. So that is bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is a full launchjacking Bible course. It goes over absolutely everything you need to know to make money online with launchjacking. There's another course here called The Lazy Method. Then I've got a bonus of YouTube, so it shows you how you can build your YouTube channel at the same time if you wanted to go down that route. I've got another bonus, and look, there's lots more bonuses on here, and there's all vendor bonuses. So you'll also get some Instagram software, traffic sources, another course here, and then John O's Branding Hacks Part 1 and 2. And like I said, you'll get all of that for $13. And as always, any product that I recommend on this channel, it comes with a money back guarantee. In fact, this one has taken it one step further, and they've said if you don't make at least $100 to $1,000 in your first 3 days, they'll give you back double your investment. So it's a hell of a money back guarantee. So that is how you can fast track it, so you can get access to all of those vendor bonuses, all of my bonuses on there, and also the full course Eclipse, this course here, which will walk you through this method and how to do this and what you need to do and what you don't need to do, and it'll cost you $13. Now if you didn't want to go down the route and pay $13, then you would go through everything that we have done in this video today, and then you would simply start running your own YouTube ads. But that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. I'll drop a link below to this course here. If you want to go ahead and check it out, feel free. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.